Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd. Stocks ended lower Tuesday in a volatile session that was dominated by testimony from key financial officials. The S&P 500 settled with a loss of 1.6%, which was near session lows, following a late session surge in broad-based selling interest. All 10 of the economic sectors ended the day in negative territory. Volume was on the light side, though, with only 1.2 billion shares exchanging hands at the NYSE. Fed Chairman Bernanke, Treasury Secretary Paulson, SEC Chairman Cox, and OFAO Director Lockhart testified on the current financial turmoil to the Senate Banking Committee, which included prepared remarks and a question-and-answer session. The majority of focus was on Paulson and Bernanke regarding the Treasury's proposed plan to alleviate the credit market turmoil by buying up to $700 billion in illiquid assets from financial firms. Bernanke said urgent action from Congress is required to stabilize the situation, or there may be very serious consequences for our financial markets and for our economy. The Federal Reserve, in light of that view, supports the Treasury's proposal. There was a substantial amount of Banking Committee member contention regarding the plan, which sparked some volatility in the stock market on concerns the size of the plan may be limited or that it will take longer than expected to pass. The financial sector fell 1.5% in Tuesday's trading. Influential Oppenheimer & Company analyst Meredith Whitney cut her earnings estimates on several financial firms, including Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wachovia. Whitney believes any government plan has, quote, little hope of improving core fundamentals over the near and medium term, end quote. The industrial sector, which was down 2.5%, was a major laggard. General Electric was downgraded to neutral from buy at Merrill Lynch. That downgrade was prompted by Merrill's projection that GE Commercial Finance and GE Money will each see earnings fall 15% next year. As a result, GE's 2009 and 2010 earnings estimates were lowered at Merrill Lynch. The energy sector, down 2.9%, and the materials sector, down 3.2%, also saw steep declines as oil and other commodities went on the decline. Crude oil fell 2.3% to $106.83 per barrel this session, which followed yesterday's extremely volatile action. The Energy Information Administration confirmed that yesterday's rally in crude for October delivery, which saw prices spike as much as $25.45 to $130 per barrel, was due to short covering or market manipulation. Commodities as a whole declined 1.6%, while the dollar gained 0.5%. Looking ahead, the Treasury's proposed $700 billion plan will once again be in focus Wednesday, with Treasury Secretary Paulson and Fed Chairman Bernanke appearing before the House Financial Services Committee at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening, and have a good evening.